Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sauce Kabrit using an easy method. First, ensure your goat meat is cleaned and cut into manageable pieces, about 1 pound total. Next, prepare your aromatic base with fresh garlic, onions, and bell peppers. Finally, gather your essential spices like thyme, parsley, and a touch of Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic kick. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by marinating your goat meat with a blend of citrus juice, garlic, and your chosen spices for at least 30 minutes. Then, in a large pot, brown the meat on all sides to lock in the flavors. Once browned, add enough water to cover the meat, bring it to a boil, and then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook until the goat is fork tender, which usually takes about 1.5 to 2 hours. With the goat meat tender, it's time to build our rich sauce. Remove the cooked goat and set it aside. In the same pot, sauté your diced onions, bell peppers, and a bit more garlic until fragrant. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, cooking it for a minute to deepen its flavor. Then, add about a half cup of the reserved goat broth or water, along with a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Let this simmer gently, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. Finally, return your tender goat meat to the flavorful sauce, ensuring each piece is well coated. Allow it to simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes, letting the meat absorb all those wonderful flavors. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a pinch more salt or a dash of pepper. Serve your delicious sauce Kabrit hot with rice, plantains, or bread. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.